Alabama.
And a little bit more. They don't know how you like it.
All right, y'all. Listen. Whew. All right, y'all. Listen. We are in 10 miles from Tuscaloosa. We're not gonna stop in Tuscaloosa. I wanted to, but I needed gas. So right now I just put $17 in the bike. 1703. Alright, so right now I just put $17 in the bike. And let's go fill the van up. Alright, y'all, I just put $42 in the van to get a full tank. Was the van at halfway?
No, it was like
Below?
yeah,
Like 1/4?
yes.
Alright. It was about 1/4 when we pulled up. And yeah, let's go get some food now.
Baby, me. My love, coffee, don't stop.
So we just ate our food, and I noticed that there is a Harley Davidson dealership right across the street. So we're gonna go over there and see what they got. All right, y'all, we just pulled up to T-Town Harley Davidson here in Tuscaloosa. I'm thinking about grabbing a new helmet. So let's see if I get it. This is the one I have now, well, my secondary helmet. And I think I want to switch them out. Let's see. Alright, right now we're in Harley, y'all. Here's my helmet that I have. And right now I'm thinking about getting this one. I really like this helmet. Look at the shield on the back. What's up? Alright, y'all, what's up? Out here in Alabama. Woo. Right here, I got the solar panel. And right now, I'm about to install a bug net. Alright, y'all, I'm in Alabama. We finna hop on a 4-wheeler. This is my first time ever. You just call this a 4-wheeler or a dune buggy? Dune buggy, I'm sorry. So y'all, we in Alabama. This is my first time on a dune buggy. We finna hop in. I got my driver right here. You wanna say what's up to the camera? Let's go. All right, I gotta go put my helmet on and we finna be outside. Let's go. Yeah. Are you confident in your driving? All right, let's get it. I need my seatbelt. All right. Oh. And then right here. Get the pedal. getting us together. That was amazing. Good time, okay? Did you have fun?
Yep.
Now what we finna do?
Fish.
Let's go.
Okay, so we got some fake bait for the fish in there because some smart fish don't take my bait. Got some big hooks and little hooks.
In the comments right now, y'all, let me know, do you think the fish are going to eat this? Do you think this is gonna fool the fish? Or do you think they're gonna think this is like grass or algae or something? All right, let's see.
I am filling up the water in my bucket right now. And this is the bucket where we're gonna put the fish. I'm excited. Like, I'm excited. Okay, there should be enough. Hurry up, get it, reel them in.
Get the camera, show the people what we got. Show the people what we got. Hold on tight, make sure you don't drop it. Hey yo, we ain't playing around out here.
Get that ball over here.
Woo, boy. Hey y'all, it's going down. First fish of the day. Mikhail, you wanna show them how you get it?
Okay, so how you gotta watch closely too. Okay, so what you do, bruh.
Oh my god.
Okay, so what you do is you just get the hook through there. It's a big enough hole for it to get out.
Ooh, and how did that
Look at that boy.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yoink!
Y'all, the fish just jumped. The fish just jumped out.
Pick it up.
Who?
You.
Huh?
Pick it up.
Huh?
Pick it up. Right?
All right. Okay, the fish jumped out. I gotta pick it up. How I do it?
Grab his mouth.
His mouth?
Yeah.
What if he bite me?
Just pick it up.
Like this?
Hold on, man. Come on.
I can't.
Come on, just get.
Let me see how you did.
Look,
All right, let me
so,
do it.
See, say like it.
And then what if he jump?
What is his mouth closed?
Is he gonna bite me though?
No, he doesn't even
Let
have
me see you do one more time. Just like that.
Yeah.
And you ain't scared.
Okay, so let's put it back for in the water.
So he can breathe a little bit. Y'all, I gotta
Say
grab
this
him.
guy jumped out.
I gotta get over my fur.
See, so he's on. You just open that mouth open and then.
All right, take it back out. Let me do it.
Okay.
I gotta learn, right?
Yep. Hopefully he doesn't die every time he goes back out. Okay, so.
You ready?
Yeah. Come on.
Right now.
Just don't worry.
God.
See? You got it.
Oh my God.
Put it in the water.
Oh my God. So, I get it. I'm scared. Shout out to Mikhail. Got me picking up fish. All right, y'all. We waiting on Mikhail. He finna grab him a fish today. The goal is to catch one before he get in. We got the worm down there. You think, oh, I see the fish. You see it? He's swimming right by it. He got it. He got it.
Come on, boy.
Woo, yes, sir. You got him.
Get. You
Yes,
have a
sir.
roommate.
This time. So when I do it, I just go back through the knot again.
Get it, bro. I'm trying to help you.
Okay, y'all, Kiara came out here and caught the big mouth bass. And he swallowed the bait And so we're out here trying to get them together.
I wish I had some pliers, bro. I could have just grabbed that right off.
It's like stuck.
You almost got it.
Boom, y'all. We got Abby out here fishing. This ain't your first time, huh?
No, it's just the first time in a long time.
Mm-hmm. She trying to catch her something. Woo, y'all. Abby poured her first fish in for the day. Mikhail finna get it for her.
Okay.
What's the other way to hold it? Just like that, right? Them will stick you, so then you just smooth it down before you put it over.
Okay.
Like
Maybe the mouth will be better.
Put your thumb like this and pinch it. Put
Good
it in there.
job. Let me take a picture.
Now
of
hold
my
it.
phone. Hold that thought. Ready? Pose with a 1, 2, 3. We're gonna wrap this vlog up to end the day. He caught one last fish. How many we had? About 7 to 8. And then we're gonna end it off with a picture. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
The tongue is licking me.
Tongue? Hold on there. Alright, y'all. We just got through fishing. We threw a really big bass back, right? He was bleeding. We tried to save him. It was just too much blood. So we threw one big bass back. And then we have we thrown any of them back yet?
Bye, y'all. Hopefully we'll do another vlog.
Yeah.
And peace.
You want to teach anybody how to throw fish back if it's their first time watching?
Oh, yeah. So what you do is throw it back.
Alright, let's see. What if he bite me?
He ain't gonna bite. Like, this really even teeth.
Alright, don't let it go yet. Don't let him go yet. Hold him for me. Don't let it go. You know? Okay. Now hold it back for me.
Oh, that's what you
Yeah, hold on. Let me see you do it one more time. Cause he kind of big.
just get your that, pinch it.
Okay. Get you that.
Put your mouth up.
Don't let it go yet. Hold it. Pinch it. Boom.
Got it.
Baby, let's go. Get out of here now. So I think the more I do it, I get used to it. What you think?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, he making me do this.
Calm down, bud.
He hyped up? We don't want him hyped up.
You wanna do one more? You wanna do this?
Yeah, hold it back for me. See what I'm saying? He trying to get me. He ain't gonna bite me.
I trust. I promise.
Oh, he moving. Nah, you gotta go. All right, y'all, we gone.